Today we embark on an exciting journey through the world of artificial intelligence. From the earliest theories to the latest breakthroughs, we explore how AI has shaped our past and what it holds for our future. So let's dive without further delay into the fascinating history of AI. When we talk about artificial intelligence, many immediately think of modern marvels like self-driving cars or smart robots. But the roots of AI go much further back. They are deeply ingrained in the history of human creativity and scientific research. Today, I will take you on a journey through time, showing how from the earliest dreams and theories, one of the most revolutionary technologies of our time was born. To understand the roots of artificial intelligence, we must look back to the time of the Second World War and shortly thereafter. A key figure in this early phase was Alan Turing, a brilliant British mathematician. Turing posed the fundamental question, can machines think? And developed the Turing test. This test was a criterion to determine whether a machine can be considered intelligent by generating human-like responses in a conversation. Turing's work laid the foundation for what we now call artificial intelligence, but he wasn't the only one grappling with these questions. In the 1950s, scientists around the world began to explore the possibilities of computers and artificial intelligence. 1956 was a pivotal year. At Dartmouth College in New Hampshire, a conference took place that is often regarded as the birth of artificial intelligence. It was here that John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence. The Dartmouth Conference gathered leading minds to outline the goals and dreams of AI research. The attendees were optimistic, believing that a machine could soon perform any work that a human can do. But it was not just theory. The first AI programs were developed. In 1951, Christopher Strachey created the first known AI program for the game of checkers, and in 1952, Arthur Samuel developed a chess program. These programs were simple, but they demonstrated the enormous potential of computers to solve problems independently. Another milestone was the program Logic Theorist, developed by Alan Newell and Herbert A. Simon. This program could perform mathematical proofs and was considered the first real AI program. It demonstrated that computers could not only process numbers, but also think logically. These early successes sparked great interest and optimism. Scientists believed it was only a matter of time before machines would achieve human-like intelligence. However, as we will soon see, these early hopes were a bit too optimistic. The complexity of AI proved to be much greater than many had assumed at the time. After the ambitious beginnings in theory, the 1960s began with concrete developments in AI. This period was marked by the creation of the first functioning AI systems, which demonstrated how machines can perform specific tasks and solve problems. One of the first programs to attract attention was ELIZA, developed by Joseph Weizenbaum at MIT. ELIZA was capable of conducting a conversation with a human user by recognizing certain keywords from the user's input and generating pre-programmed responses. Although very basic, ELIZA amazed many people who thought they were speaking with an intelligent being. Another significant system was Shardliu, created by Terry Winograd. It allowed users to interact with a computer in natural language, which controlled a small world of blocks on a screen. Shardliu could understand and execute instructions, answer questions, and even solve simple problems. It demonstrated the potential of AI in language processing and problem solving. However, these early systems were not without limitations. They worked well in very limited and specific environments, but their ability to deal with the complexity of the real world was limited. Despite these restrictions, they were crucial steps on the way to more advanced AI systems. At that time, scientists also began to explore the basics of machine learning. Machine learning is an approach in AI where machines learn from data instead of being driven by rigid programming. One of the pioneers in this field was Arthur Samuel, who in the 1950s developed a checkers program that improved itself through playing. Another significant advancement was the development of expert systems in the 1970s. Expert systems were computer programs that mimicked the knowledge and analytical skills of human experts in a specific area. They could solve complex problems in fields such as medicine, chemistry, and geology. One of the best-known examples was Mycin, a system for diagnosing bacterial infections and recommending antibiotics. These developments demonstrated the immense potential of AI, but they also revealed its limits. AI research encountered technical and conceptual hurdles, showing that the road to truly intelligent systems was still long. Following the promising beginnings of AI research, the 1970s and 1980s saw periods of disillusionment known as AI winters. These phases were marked by a lack of progress, budget cuts, and general pessimism about the future of AI. The reasons for the AI winters were manifold. One of the main reasons was the overly ambitious expectations. Early AI researchers had made big promises, from machines that would achieve human-like intelligence to revolutionary changes across various scientific and industrial sectors. When it became clear that these promises could not be fulfilled as quickly as hoped, enthusiasm for AI waned. Technical limitations also played a role. Computers in the 1970s and 1980s did not have nearly the computing power needed for advanced AI applications. The algorithms were still in their infancy, and there was a lack of understanding of how to effectively solve complex problems with AI. Another problem was the lack of data. Machine learning, one of the most promising approaches in AI, requires large amounts of data. At a time when the internet and digital data storage were still in their infancy, access to such data was extremely limited. These challenges led to reduced funding and the withdrawal of many researchers from the field. During these AI winters, research in many areas nearly came to a halt, and the dream of intelligent machines seemed far off. Despite these setbacks, there were still researchers who believed in the potential of AI and continued to work, often with limited resources. These persistent scientists laid the groundwork for the next generation of AI, which was expected to flourish again with advances in computer technology and new approaches in research. The AI winters were an important lesson in the history of artificial intelligence. They taught us to have realistic expectations, to be patient, and to recognize the complexity of the field. The history of AI is not just one of success, but also one of challenges and continuous learning. After the tough lessons of the AI winters, the 1980s and 1990s saw a rebirth of artificial intelligence. This revival was driven by two key technologies: neural networks and machine learning. Neural networks, inspired by the functioning of the human brain, are systems composed of interconnected units that can process data by recognizing patterns and relationships. These networks are particularly powerful when it comes to learning from large amounts of data and identifying complex patterns. One of the breakthroughs in this area was the development of the backpropagation algorithm, which allows neural networks to learn efficiently and improve themselves. This advance led to a surge in research and applications, demonstrating that AI can handle complex tasks such as image and speech recognition, making predictions, and even playing games. Machine learning, another crucial aspect of modern AI, involves algorithms that enable computers to learn from experience and make decisions based on data, rather than on fixed programmed instructions. The key to this technology is the availability of large data sets and enhanced computing power. A milestone in the development of machine learning was IBM's Deep Blue project, which in 1997 defeated chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov. This victory was not just a symbol of progress in AI, but also proof that machines are capable of surpassing human experts in highly complex scenarios. Another significant advancement was the development of deep learning, a specialized form of machine learning based on deep neural networks. Deep learning enabled revolutionary progress in areas such as automatic language processing, autonomous driving, and medical diagnosis. These developments led to a new era of AI, where AI systems not only perform specific, narrowly defined tasks, but also learn to adapt and function in a variety of environments. It marked the beginning of an era where AI was no longer just a subject of research but a technology with real, practical implications on our daily lives. This period of rebirth and progress demonstrated that AI is a viable, powerful technology with the potential to change the world. It was a turning point that paved the way for the 21st century, in which AI would play a central role in many aspects of our lives. With the dawn of the 21st century, a new era for artificial intelligence began. Advances in hardware, particularly in graphics processors, along with the explosion of digital data, have led to unprecedented opportunities in AI research and application. AI systems are now ubiquitous. They range from personal assistants on our smartphones to complex systems used in medical diagnostics, finance, and the manufacturing industry. AI influences nearly every aspect of our lives and drives innovation in numerous sectors. A particularly impressive example is the development of autonomous vehicles. Here, AI systems combine machine vision, decision-making, and machine learning to navigate vehicles safely through complex environments. This technology has the potential to fundamentally change the way we travel and transport goods. Another revolutionary field is healthcare. AI systems assist doctors in diagnosing diseases by recognizing patterns in medical images that are difficult for the human eye to identify. These systems help make treatments more efficient and precise. AI has also changed the way we communicate and consume information. From personalized recommendations on streaming platforms to advanced chatbots taking over customer service tasks, AI shapes our digital experience. However, these impressive developments are not without challenges. With the growing presence of AI in our lives, concerns are also rising regarding privacy, ethical implications, and the impact on the job market. The question of how to balance the benefits and risks of AI is one of the great challenges of our time. Despite these challenges, AI remains a field full of possibilities and promise. With each passing day, we learn more about how we can use this powerful technology for the benefit of humanity. As we celebrate the current peaks and successes of artificial intelligence, we must also look to the future. The future of AI is not just a matter of technology, but also one of ethics, societal impact, and responsibility. A central issue in the discussion about AI is data protection. In a world where AI systems learn from vast amounts of personal data, protecting this data is of crucial importance. It's about how we can protect the privacy of individuals while simultaneously harnessing the benefits of AI. Another critical aspect is the issue of bias and fairness. AI systems learn from data, and if that data is biased, AI can amplify these biases. The challenge is to develop systems that are fair and impartial, and to establish mechanisms that ensure AI operates in accordance with ethical standards. The impact of AI on the job market is also a central topic. While AI can create jobs in many areas, there is also the danger that it will make existing jobs redundant. How we, as a society, deal with these changes and ensure that no one is left behind is of great importance. The future of AI also holds incredible possibilities. Advances in areas such as artificial general intelligence, where machines develop cognitive abilities similar to humans, could lead to breakthroughs in science and technology that we can hardly imagine today. It is also conceivable that AI will help tackle some of humanity's greatest challenges, such as climate change, medical research, and global poverty. AI has the potential to be a force for good if we use it wisely and responsibly. Ultimately, it is up to us to shape the future of AI. It's about finding a way that maximizes the benefits while minimizing the risks. Through international collaboration, ethical guidelines, and an enlightened public debate, we can ensure that AI works in the service of humanity. We have now experienced an extraordinary journey through the history of artificial intelligence, from the early beginnings to the exciting possibilities of the future. The history of AI is a story of human curiosity, scientific progress, and tireless efforts to expand the boundaries of the possible. For me personally, The world of AI is a source of constant fascination. It reflects our own intelligence and creativity, proving what we can achieve when we pool our resources and knowledge. It also shows us the limits of our imagination and the importance of ethical considerations in technology. As we look to the future, we face the thrilling challenge of making AI a force for good. It is up to us to determine the direction this incredible technology will take. We have the responsibility to shape it in a way that improves the lives of all people and creates a positive future for the coming generations. I hope this video has inspired you and given you an insight into the incredible world of artificial intelligence. What are your thoughts on the future of AI? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Until next time, stay curious and open to the wonders of technology. Thank you for watching.